to make use of VBA for auto filling our column. So entering data like this will be frustrating sometimes. You would like to be dragging or you double click to auto fill, which some of us find very difficult to do. So, but in this video, I'm going to show us a tip on how we can use the VBA to auto fill our cell. So let's do that. You right click on the sheet. Okay, let's just go back to the new sheet. Then right click on the sheet 2. So you click on the VBA code, the view code. So click on the view code. Then you input this code: private sub worksheet underscore selection change, then open brackets, Fiverr, target as range, then you close your bracket, your enter cells dot entire dot Autofit. Like that. Then you move back and try again. Let's see if it's going to work out. So you can see that anytime you input any text, let's try another one. Let's email address. You can see that automatically it autofilled this cell. So that is that on how to make use of the autofill using the VBA to make it very fast. And I hope this application is helpful to you. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and share.